Oh, well, hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today is Long, Long Ago on the viola. Play through, slow and fast. Here we go. All right, Long, Long Ago. Get yourself ready. Bows, pinkies on, straight wrist. Okay. Open and close from that elbow. We want to have a smooth sound throughout. Okay, open and close the elbow there from that joint. Here we go. Start in the middle. Slow speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle bow. Okay, so that's kind of a nice, slow, casual. It could maybe go a little bit slower, but not too much. That's pretty much the tune. So it's marked as moderato. So we have a lot of space to mess around with, but it can't be too slow because moderate, all right? Let's try it on the fast end of moderato. Okay, so it's a little bit really kind of skippy and happy. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle bow. Okay, how'd you do? Check it out. Find your speed, all right? And if you made it and you feel good about it, congratulations, and I'll see you in the next song.